Okay, so we continue with chapter number 8, and same topic: garments that may be worn on Shabbos. Right, and we said we get definition of the garment, and okay, so this how no, we're not going to finish. Baruch Hashem, but we start. So part number 2, and it says, in what manner it is permitted to wear garments? In what manner it is permitted to wear garments? Okay, so let's see. The preceding discussion pertains only to defining what is a considered garment. So we need to give a definition garment. Okay, once it is established that item is considered a genuine garment, there is a normal mode of dress for at least some people. It may be worn for any purpose at any time. Thus, it is permitted to wear a winter coat during the summer. It is also permitted to wear a garment even if one's sole intention is to protect his clothing. For example, it is permitted to wear a raincoat over the winter coat, even for the sole purpose of protecting the winter coat from becoming wet. Furthermore, it is permitted to wear a garment, even if one's intention is solely to transport the garment from one domain to another. For example, wearing a tallis after davening in order to bring it home. Okay, so let's concentrate on this introduction because we have to build a strong base, right? So again, so we need to do to give the definition of what is a garment, and the garment, right? We said, what did we say? 1 second. Right. So we said that a garment, or like we're allowed to wear to clothe. To cover the person for the sake of modesty and dignity, to protect body from elements and injury, right? And number 3, to prevent discomfort. Okay, so there is 3 reasons why we are allowed to wear these things that are called garments. So we're going to see, is it going to be called garments or not on Shabbos. Okay, once it is established that the item is considered genuine garment, it is normal mode of dress for some people. So, and it's very interesting. So he's very careful in his language, because even if I don't wear this garment, for example, at all, but other people would wear, right? Meaning that I'm also allowed. So even I think it's minority people would wear. So it is this piece is going to consider garment, and meaning that everybody can wear, right? And not only wear, but it may be worn for any purpose at any time, right? So it's very interesting. There is permitted to wear winter coat during the summer. So as we said, even to transport to another place. So you forgot to return to somebody his winter coat. So that's the best time in the summer. All right, or to protect his clothing. So right, meaning what? Like a coat, regular winter coat. Right? Is it warm enough? But maybe it's raining, and it's a wool coat, so it's most likely it's going to get ruined. Not ruined, but at least saturated, right? So also not good. So you can wear on top of it your raincoat, right? But since raincoat is a garment anyway, right? So you can wear by itself, or you can wear on top of another coat. And as we said before, you can wear multiple garments. Right? For example, when it's cold, you can wear 2 pair of socks. Right? There is no problem. Or two shorts. So yes, some people wear two like sweat shorts or something. Right? Right? There is no problem. There is no problem. That's a normal way of wearing things. Okay. So, and plus, as he said, you can even wear it for the sole intention to transport it. Okay. And a good example is as the tallis, right? Okay, you're going to shul. Some people I mean, they have expensive talis. They don't want to leave it, right, in the show for whatever reason. I'm not sure what would be the reason. I don't know, whatever. But in my show, I don't think anything ever disappeared. People just don't take other people's things, especially talis. I mean, unless it's, I don't know, what is it, silver, even the silver, like if you put it in a pouch, nobody's going to take it. I don't know. Right, but some people, I saw it. Some people come in a talis, so that's understandable. But then they can go back in a talis. Is it like, as if you say when in the fall or spring when it's windy? Yeah, maybe it's like an additional layer of clothing. But in the summer, for sure, you don't want additional layer of clothing. So of course, it is only to transport at home. But there is no problem, right? Because you wear it as a garment. So you would wear this big talis as the way of you pray. Okay, in the manner of you pray, not just drape over the shoulder. And that's it. Okay. So continue.